Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming the fundamentals. Open system information and make sure boot mode is UEFI, not legacy BIOS. Once done, check secure boot state and note whether it's on, off, or unsupported. Make a recovery USB and backup important files first, because firmware changes can break boot. Next, update your motherboard firmware to the latest version. Firmware updates often add secure boot compatibility and fix key handling, so do that before changing settings in the BIOS or attempting to run Battlefield 6. Now you'll enable secure boot and ensure the correct key store is active. Reboot to UEFI, go to Security or Boot Settings, and enable Secure Boot. If your firmware offers an option, choose to install or restore default/platform keys. That ensures Microsoft-signed bootloaders are trusted. Make sure Windows Boot Manager is listed as a trusted boot option. If not, add it manually. Once changes are saved and the system restarts, Windows should boot under Secure Boot, with the proper keys loaded for signed drivers and games. Finish by updating GPU drivers and verifying Battlefield 6 files through your launcher. A mismatched or unsigned driver can trigger secure boot blocks. If the game still refuses to launch, return to UEFI and clear secure boot variables, or re-enroll the default keys, then reboot. If problems persist, boot the Windows Recovery USB to disable secure boot temporarily, roll back recently installed unsigned drivers, and test again. The key tip: if changes break boot, use your Recovery USB to restore previous settings and avoid data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.